The Kuang Si Waterfalls, they're worth the hype, they're worth the visit. This is so worth it.
So beautiful.
Yeah.
Woo!
Wow. All right, so as we're standing here at the gate of Kuang Si Waterfalls, getting ready to head in, we just kind of wanted to give you a little brief look about the place. They got a little, basically a little mini market up here for all the tourists. Here, check it out.
A bunch of stuff.
Yeah, I would say so.
Hello, everybody.
So we have arrived to the Kuang Si Waterfalls.
Yeah.
We're right at the beginning of the trail back here. We got two different ways actually. There's this way that heads up, I guess, towards the top of the waterfall, and then we got a trail back here. We're thinking we got 2 hours, so we're gonna go with the trail here. All right, my dear, head on down.
And away we go.
I'll tell you what, though, we got some great weather for this. You know, nice and just decently warm, nice breeze coming through. Can hardly ask for better. Watch your footing here, huh? Lots of tree roots and stuff here. Oh, so what we got here? Mai Sa Pong. Well, all I know is look at the roots on this sucker.
Big.
Wow. All right, onwards. Let's see what we got up here. Ah, yes, they're black bears. No poaching. That is terrible that you have to have that sign up. Wow. Look, guys, it literally says that right here in an area that conserves them. Well, we do have some awesome award-winning human beings on this planet. Oh my.
Yes.
Okay, so if you ever happen to come here, mind your footing.
Yes. We found one.
Oh my. Wow. Oh, this is gorgeous. Wow.
Look at that water.
Water's beautiful over there.
That is so pretty.
Okay, so it may have taken us 2 months of being in LUANG Prabang to finally get here, but we made it. That right there, worth it.
Yeah, it really is. It's so beautiful here.
Hope you can see that water, that coloration, man. It's just absolutely gorgeous.
It is, though. In person, it is beautiful.
Yeah. All right, we're gonna keep going here and keep checking out the rest of this Kuang Si Waterfall.
Yeah.
So I don't know about you guys, but when I picture words and we use words like paradise, heaven, it kind of look like this.
Yeah.
Right there.
Look at that.
I mean, my God. I hope that any of you that have been thinking about coming to LUANG Prabang, Laos, come to the Kuang Si Waterfalls. You will not regret it.
No, you will not.
You're surrounded by absolute beauty and nature, and my God.
Yeah.
The Kuang Si Waterfalls, they're worth the hype, they're worth the visit, and I hope you spend the 2-3 hours or whatever it is on your little tour that you get to do here. Spend it all.
Yes.
This is so worth it.
So beautiful.
Yeah. This does not disappoint in the least.
So beautiful here.
I mean,
so beautiful.
it only costs, I think it was what, 100,000 kip each to get the taxi ride out of here, right? And then it was 60,000 kip entrance fee.
Yeah.
You're talking $3.
Yeah.
Okay.
And you get all this beauty.
Yeah.
Look at that. Seriously.
That's one of them there where we've come up with over the last 2 months, a wow loud moment.
Yeah.
Holy crap, let's get closer.
Oh.
Sunshine or no sunshine, I'm bound and determined I'm gonna get this damn shot.
Yeah, we're gonna get this waterfall.
My God, this thing is gorgeous, guys.
Ooh.
Wow.
Wow.
I mean,
Really just wow.
I ain't got nothing else to say. I don't need to say anything else, guys. That
Wow.
that says it all. My God, man, this nature,
Beautiful.
this is living, guys. This is life.
So wonderful.
All right, looks like I can see the gate here. So that was our time at Kuang Si Waterfalls, guys. Definitely, how you feel about that?
Oh, amazing. Just loved it. Absolutely loved it.
Yeah, that was nature at its best.
Yes.
And we love it. So that is going to wrap up pretty much the LUANG PRABANG Laos series. And now we're heading out, and stay tuned for the next location. See you in the next one.
See you guys. We have got our packs on.
So you know what that means. Moving day.
It's moving day.
The excitement and the nervousness and the anxiety and the adventure, all of it
real.
wrapped
It's
into one.
gone.
Yes. That actually went pretty damn smooth. It's after we got off where some issues.
Arose.
Wow. Wow, loud.
Yeah.